Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of freezing on the application of Calm. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about Calm app and you can click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you will go to Play Store. You will go to this sign. You will search about the application of Calm app. Here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by